Inside every human being lies a message older than language, older than humanity, older than Earth itself. A message written not in ink, but in molecules, not stored in books, but folded into the heart of every cell. This message is DNA, the most sophisticated information system life has ever created. DNA is commonly shown as a spiral, but it is much more. It is a language made of 4 chemical letters, A, T, C, and G, arranged into 3 billion characters that hold the instructions for building and sustaining your body. These 4 letters construct everything you see in nature: your heartbeat, your neurons, your immune system, your bones, your memories. Every living thing on Earth reads this same alphabet. What makes DNA extraordinary is its scale. If the DNA in one of your cells were stretched out, it would be 2 meters long. Your body contains trillions of cells, enough DNA to stretch from Earth to the sun and back more than 300 times. Yet all of it folds perfectly into microscopic nuclei, organized with flawless precision. Genes are sentences inside this code, telling your cells how to grow, repair, and function. Molecular machines read these instructions non-stop, scanning your DNA, building proteins, correcting errors, and keeping you alive every second. These microscopic systems fix more than 10,000 mistakes every day in each of your cells. But DNA is more than a blueprint. It is the record of life's history. It contains fragments of extinct species, ancient viruses, and evolutionary experiments that succeeded or failed. It is a time capsule, a molecular memory passed down from ancestor to ancestor, generation after generation, for billions of years. This code is also the most advanced data storage system ever discovered. Human engineers build chips and servers that decay over time. Yet DNA can hold unimaginable amounts of data in a structure that lasts thousands of years. 1 gram of DNA can store over 215 petabytes of information. All movies ever made, all music ever recorded, all books ever written, fitting into something smaller than a sugar cube. But DNA does not stay the same. Every time a cell divides, it copies its code. Occasionally, errors slip through, mutations. Most do nothing. Some cause disease, and a rare few create new abilities, new adaptations, new futures. Mutations are not flaws, they are the engine of evolution. Every difference among humans, faces, voices, talents, emerged from variations in this code. And DNA is not static even within one lifetime. The environment changes it. Stress, nutrition, sleep, trauma, love, learning, all leave chemical marks called epigenetic tags that decide which genes activate and which stay silent. These tags can even be inherited. This means your experiences can shape the biology of your descendants. Today, humanity stands at a turning point. For the first time, we can read the code of life and rewrite it. CRISPR gene editing allows scientists to cut DNA like text, remove harmful mutations, or insert healthy sequences. We can cure genetic diseases, engineer plants to survive climate shifts, and design bacteria to create medicine. One day, we may even enhance human abilities, intelligence, or longevity. But with this power come questions no species has faced before. Should we edit the human genome? Who decides what is improved or natural? What happens when evolution is no longer guided by nature, but by human intention? We are shaping not only ourselves, but future generations. Despite all we know, most of DNA remains a mystery. Only a small part consists of active genes. The rest, once called junk DNA, is now believed to regulate complex biological processes we still don't understand. We have read the letters, but we have not decoded the full meaning. DNA also reveals something humbling. Humans are more similar than we are different. We share 99.9% of our DNA with every other person on Earth. The tiny fraction that differs accounts for all human diversity. Beneath our differences, we are one species with one code, one shared ancestry, one story. And the connection extends beyond humanity. We share most of our DNA with animals, 98% with chimpanzees, 85% with mice, 60% with bananas. Life is not a collection of separate creations. It is one continuous, evolving system. The same ancient language runs through all of it. DNA teaches us that life is both fragile and resilient. Fragile because small changes can cause disease or collapse. Resilient because the same molecular logic has survived billions of years through extinctions, disasters, climate shifts, and cosmic events. Your DNA is not yours alone. It came from the people who lived before you, people who loved, suffered, survived, adapted, and passed their code forward. And it will continue through the people who come after you. You are a link in the chain of life, a temporary guardian of a message that stretches across time. But here is the most important truth. DNA is not destiny. It does not determine your future. It only provides the starting point. Your choices, environment, experiences, relationships, and actions shape who you become far more than your genes ever will. DNA is the foundation. Life is the architecture. You are the builder. Inside you lies a code older than stars, but the story it becomes is still yours to write.